Images flow through your business every day in emails, reports, and shared folders, but analyzing them often means manual check, copying results into spreadsheets, or missing important details. Tiliter Vision Agents fix this by turning every image into structured, actionable data. And with Zapier, those results can flow straight into the apps you already use. Evaluator Agents give you instant analysis. You don't need to provide any instructions. Just send the file and the agent evaluates it right away. For example, a cleanliness evaluator can provide an accurate assessment. A damage evaluator can flag defects, or an object counter can tell you what's in an image. Evaluator Agents give you immediate structured results you can use anywhere. Validator Agents go a step further. Instead of just analyzing the image, they check it against the context you provide. That could be an expected label, a part that must be present, or a checklist of items. If something is missing or doesn't match, the Validator Agent flags it right away. This makes them powerful stop gates, ensuring standards are met before work continues. Before you can connect Tiliter to Zapier, you will need an API key. To get one, go to the Tiliter homepage and click Login or try for free. Sign up for an account, confirm your email, and log into the agent platform. From there, navigate to the API keys section. Enter a name of your choice and click Create. An API key will be generated. Copy it and keep it safe. You'll use it to connect to Zapier later on. Now, let's connect Tiliter to Zapier and walk through an example, starting with an Evaluator Agent. In Zapier, create a new Zap. Choose Dropbox as the trigger app, connect it to your account, and set the trigger to run whenever a new file arrives in a folder. Then select the folder you want to use. As a next step, add Tiliter as the action step. Paste in the API key you created earlier to link your account. From the list of available agents, select the one that you want to use. In our case, the Cleanliness Evaluator Agent. If you're using a Validator Agent, this is also where you could provide the input or checklist you want to validate against. Finally, add the Google Sheets as the output step. Connect to your account and select Create Spreadsheet Row, which writes a new row every time Tiliter is triggered. Choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the results recorded and map the output fields from the previous steps along with a timestamp. Now, whenever a new image arrives in Dropbox, Tiliter analyzes it instantly, and the structural results are locked in Google Sheets without any manual effort. Now you've seen how Tiliter Vision Agents work in Zapier. Thanks for watching and see you next time.